So some guy came up to me and said, "Hey kid, wanna buy some tools?" And I said, "Of course, mister, I want to buy some tools. But there's just one problem. I don't have any space in my shop to put any more tools. And the only space is this one, and I need it for working. So I'm gonna have to figure something out. So now I'm gonna do a shop tour, and then we'll figure out how to make more space for some more tools in my shop. Because as I always say, if you don't have the space for the tools, you just have to make the space. And I'm gonna make the space. Just you fucking watch. Okay. So I'm gonna quickly go through my shop so you know the layout how it is now, because I'm gonna change it. So this here is my workbench, and over there I have some hand planes. Oh, what, I'll just show you. 3 hand planes, I wasn't lying. Here I keep my sandpaper, wire brushes for restorations, chisels, more chisels, my handsaw, sander, another metal workbench, materials here and there, 1 grinder, 2 grinder, 3 grinder. This is my jointer. The thickness planer part didn't work well, at least for mine, just kept getting stuck. So this takes up a lot of space. I'm thinking I'm gonna move this table up to that wall, and I'll figure out what to do with the rest of the stuff. Here I have a scroll saw, a bandsaw, screws. This whole hole is like screws and stuff. Some finishes. My table saw on a cart I made. Some glue and stuff. This is the router cabinet, and there's some more screws, flattening jig, sharpening stuff, some brushes, this is my bisque sander, this is a shelf, this is my drill press, and this is my display shelf, some of my many hand planes, wood carving, gas mask, a fishy. Here is my water supply, and the power tool cabinet, the handheld power tool cabinet, yes, we'll call it that. And here is stuff that I don't really want to see, like it just takes up space, so I'm gonna figure out what to do with that. Here I have some more power tools, circle cutting jig, vacuum, my grinder, and the compressor. So that's pretty much my shop, and I'll do more thorough shop tour when I get the new stuff in. But yeah, that's gonna have to do it for now. So the first thing I'm gonna do is, like I said in the shop tour, move the big table up against the wall. And to do that I need to take these drawer cabinets, move them out of the way. So I do this thing where I like to screw my shop furniture together so that along the wall it's all screwed together. And it's really solid, but when it comes time to moving it, it's really difficult. Now I can't really remember where I put the screws. Some screws I can't even get to anymore, like in this case, when I put the carcass of that green shelf thing on the table, there weren't those shelves. So this was pretty difficult to move, but I got it to move somehow. It probably would have been smarter to take all of the screw boxes and everything out of the cabinet and the table, but I'm too lazy for that. I ended up having to do that later anyway. So if you're trying this, don't be a lazy piece of shit and take everything out of the cabinets when you try to move them. It will make it easier. So the shelf I'm moving up against the door, since we don't store cars in here anymore, so there's no need for a second door. And I'm doing that thing I like to do, where I screw everything with a bunch of screws so that it doesn't move, but if I need to move it, then it's pretty difficult. So this drawer cabinet I'm moving in the place of the shelf, and I put the drill press on it. And I found a new home for the compressor. It's out of the way, and it's a pretty perfect spot for it. So this is how it turned out. So the work table area I kept untouched. The jointer is for now in the middle, it can be moved anyway. Bandsaw I put there, although I don't really like the spot, as I would like another surface for working. The table saw sits here in front of the drill press. I like it better because I used the drill press less than the disc sander, and before it was in front of the disc sander. So now the disc sander is over there, and the scroll saw. So the new tools should be arriving next week. So the next week I'm gonna be setting them up. Maybe I'll make a couple of stands. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, press the like button and subscribe and click the bell so you know the next time I upload the video. So see you later, alligator. Bye bye, butterfly.